Today we have the Keurig 2.0 coffee maker, and you get kind of a blank screen. If you push in on the screen, sometimes you can get different things to show up, but yeah, it's just kind of sketchy. So we're going to fix that today, and all we need is Phillips head screwdriver, standard head screwdriver. First we need to take out two Phillips head screws, one there and one there, because we want to take this plate off, this plate here. So we're going to lift up on this plate now to get it out of there. And then we have to push up on some plastic tabs here with our standard head screwdriver, and that's so we can separate this top piece from right here. And inevitably you're going to break off some of these tabs, but it's okay. Just try to break as few as you can. We're going to try to get in there and separate these two halves. And I'm just going to pry back on that a little bit gently so I can get that one off. There we go. Pry back on that one a little bit. There we go. Hey guys, can you take just a second to click on the subscription link below? It really helps our channel, and also the bell notification, so every time we make a new video we can send it right to you. We make a new video about once every week. Really appreciate that, and if you give us a thumbs up, it'd be great. Thank you. Now that we have this separated, we want to push down on this little white connector to make sure it's really seated well, and we want to push in the top on this connector. Make sure it's seated in there really well, and then we'll try it and see if that's going to be better. Usually when those connectors get a little loose, you get that bad display. I'm going to push these shut, put those tabs back down. When you put those two Phillips head screws back in, that's going to hold that shut. We're going to just see if the display's any better now. You have the little power button back, press that, yeah, it comes right back on. So that little white connector had gotten loose, and now it's going to work again. We just got to put the pieces back on. Back to normal. Thanks so much for watching our video. Please leave any comments or questions in the comment section below. We really appreciate that. We have a really nice video coming up for you right here that I think you'll enjoy. Very similar, dealing with appliance repair. So thanks again for watching our video.